we glue our paper down, let's sand our surface. Now if you are going to mark your board, your tabletop yourself, you'll want to sand it before you mark the tabletop. I'm just using a 220 grit paper. That's just a finish sanding grit. And I just wrap it on a board. If you have a sanding block, that's good too. And just lightly sand the whole surface just to rough it up, and it will help with the adhering of the glue and the paper. Okay, and after you sand it, you want to make sure you remove all that dust with a cloth. You can have a damp cloth. You want to make sure you get all that dust off of the tabletop.